Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna show you my hair style for the day. So it's just gonna be like curly in the back and it's gonna be straight in the front. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna part your hair down the middle, and then you're kind of gonna go like right here, and you're just gonna take your front pieces, those pieces, and push that back. Alright, so and then you're gonna brush this. And then what you're gonna do is because you're gonna curl your hair. Well, you're gonna scrunch your hair. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a hair tie and you're gonna twist it. So twist that. You're gonna push that. So you're just gonna have that little thing hanging there. So then what you're gonna do, before you do anything else, you're gonna take, you're gonna take your straightener out, which I'll just use a Chi. And I like to plug mine in at like the highest temperature it goes. I just think it just straightens my hair like perfect. So I put my Chi on and I put it on so like it goes all the way up. I don't know if you can see, but it goes all the way up to 410 degrees. So just gonna put that on there. And then you're gonna need your hair dryer for this too. So let's take that out. And I'm just using an orange Remington. You're gonna plug that in. And you're not gonna need that for right now, so I'm just gonna put that right there. And then how I get my hair to scrunch is, and make it like kind of curly. My hair's curly kind of to begin with. It's a little, I don't know, it's scrunchy. Like it's not curly, it's crimpy, like wavy. So what I like to use is, my hair's a little drier now. I got out of the shower, but it's starting to dry. So I'm just gonna spray some of this Aussie hair insurance in it, which is leave-in conditioner, to make it just a little bit more wet, so this comes out right. So, and as you're doing that, you're just gonna kind of like grab it in your hand and scrunch it. So then we're gonna just do the same on this side. Alright. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some, I take some Biosilk, like just a little bit, just because it makes it smooth. And just gonna do the same thing. You're gonna scrunch it with it. Okay. It's looking scrunchy already. So, but now what you're gonna do is I use two different kinds of mousses. I use White Rain, which is a volumizing mousse, and then I use this Got to Be Fatastic with instant collagen infusion. It's a thickening plumping mousse. So what I like to do is I'll roll up my sleeve. I'll put about that much in my hand and I'll rub it, and then I will flip my head over and I will put the mousse in it. And kind of just like scrunch it as you're doing that. And then there's the scrunch look. Okay, and then to that I take some of the Gotta Be Fantastic. And, get like that much. I mean, it depends on your hair length. My hair is short, so I don't really use a lot. I use a lot, but not a lot. Like if you have really long hair, Let's see. And then just do that again. Flip it over. Kind of grab it like that. And you scrunch it. Just scrunch it. Make sure you just get all the parts of your hair. Scrunch it. As you notice, I'm not getting it in that front piece. So, and then you just want to like play around with it to make it like, so like flat on top. Alright, so then, excuse me, I gotta wipe my hands. But then you're gonna wipe your hands off because I'm sure like some of the mousse is still on my hands. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. And then I'm gonna put all that to the side. And then I got this at Target. It was on sale for $3.50. It is your Pantene air spray. It's an alcohol-free hairspray, but it's an extra strong hold. So I'm gonna give it a test. I don't know. I've never used it before. So just what we're gonna do is just like this, and I'm just scrunching up spray. Okay, and then do the other side. I'm scrunching up spray, scrunching up spray, scrunching up. You get the drift. And then what I like to do is just give it a big spray around the whole thing. Put the cap back on that. And then now you're all done. My hair's scrunchy, and as it dries it'll get more curly and whatnot. And then you're gonna take your hair tie out, and then I'm going to just do this like a little bit of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, since I didn't put BioSilk in this piece, I'm just going to rub a little bit of BioSilk just because I'm straightening it, and I don't want to cause damage to my hair, which pretty much damaged already, but whatever. I'm trying not to make it more damaged. So, and then I just like that with it. This, and now this is almost dry, so you don't really need a hairdryer much on that. I'm not leaving it in front of my head like this. I'm gonna kind of swoosh it to the side, or maybe put it on both sides. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, so blow dry it, and it's almost dry, so you don't really need to blow dry it that much. And now you can put your blow dryer away because that's done. And then you're going to want to just brush it forward again. And again, I'm not leaving it like this. Okay. And then just run your straightener over it. And mine's smoking a little bit. So now I'm going to see how it is like this first. Okay, that's cool. So then what you're going to do is you're going to part it. And when I'm done, I'll show you guys like closer what it looks like. But you just kind of just straighten that. Give this a straight. So, yeah. Okay, so, and then what I like to do, because my hair is like, I don't know, when I straighten my hair, it kind of like frizzes out in the front a little bit. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just take it and just give it a quick squirt to bring it back. Just bring it back. Alright. So it'll fly away. Anyway. So, and then just want to bring it like that. And then I will show you the finished product. So I got that. Oh, whoops. Sorry. And then this is like this. This will eventually just like go down a little bit, but you can tell I got curly and the front is straight. And now, so that's that. And then, all right. So if you like this hairstyle, you can give it a try. And if you like my video, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.